Now moving on to our next chapter, that is chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable. Students, in this particular video we will be looking at only the first topic, which is the introduction part, then the solving equation which have linear expressions on one side and number on the other side, and the remaining topic should be covered in the upcoming videos. So have a look at the introduction part. So first we have algebraic expression and the equations. Students, in the earlier classes you have come across several algebraic expression and equations. So just quickly recall them. Some of the examples are given here, which are 5x, 2x minus 5, 2xy plus 3, xyz plus x plus y plus z. These are the some examples of the algebraic expression, and each expression is made up of certain components, and each component is called terms. Like this expression is made up of one term, this expression is made up of two terms, 1 and 2, and similarly this also made up of two terms, and the last one has total 4 terms. Each component is called the term. Okay, collectively they call the algebraic expressions. Then comes the equations. When there is an equality sign in between two expressions, it becomes an equations, right? We have an expression this 2x minus 3 and we have 9 here. When you put an equality sign which is here, then it becomes an equation. Similarly 6z minus 2, and on the other side we have 10, and between we have equality sign, so this becomes an equation. So it will be an equation only when it has equality sign in between the expressions. Okay,